Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best trailer wiring harness kit 4-pin is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for anyone looking to tow a trailer, ensuring that your trailer's lights function correctly and safely, which is crucial for road legality and preventing accidents, especially during nighttime or poor visibility conditions, making it a vital piece of equipment for various towing applications from small utility trailers to campers. Number 5. CURT 58030 Trailer Side 4-pin Flat Wiring Harness. Plugging in your trailer wiring and lights is a breeze with its ergonomic design. It features tabs for a better grip, making connections simple. This 4-pin plug is ready to connect to your existing wiring. It ensures a reliable link for your taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. This connector is a great replacement for your trailer's wiring. Its 4-pin design is industry standard and works with a wide variety of trailers. Built for long-lasting use, its housing is made from durable molded rubber. This ensures a reliable connection that will never rust or corrode. Equipped with color-coded wires, this plug is ready for installation. The included wire lead provides extra length for a convenient setup. What we like. This harness offers an easy grip design for hassle-free plugging and unplugging. Its durable rubber housing ensures a reliable connection that won't rust or corrode. If you frequently connect and disconnect your trailer or need a robust, long-lasting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The CURT 58030 Trailer Side 4-pin Flat Wiring Harness was exactly what I needed. The wires are a good length and easy to work with. It seems to be great quality, the plug itself is very solid, and the wires seem to be of a good quality. Good connectors. Was able to use a few of them to lengthen the wiring to my trailer light assembly. Number 4. LIMICAR 25 feet 4 Flat Trailer Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the LIMICAR Trailer Wiring Harness Kit, your simple solution for connecting trailer lights. This 25-foot extension provides ample length for most trailers. Designed for trailers under or over 80 inches wide, its 21 feet and 4-foot wire lengths ensure a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward, even for beginners. Featuring 18 AWG color-coded wires in a wishbone style, it ensures easy and safe installation. The robust construction reduces corrosion and guarantees reliability. This harness kit allows you to extend your existing truck-to-trailer wires without splicing. The 4-foot trailer side ground wire offers sufficient reach for your needs. Complying with SAE standards, it's suitable for a wide range of trailers including utility, boat, and cargo trailers. Experience superior quality and performance. Please note, this is not compatible with motorcycle trailer wiring. Confirm fitment before ordering to ensure it meets your specific towing requirements. What we like. This kit provides extended length options, perfect for trailers over 80 inches wide. The bonded wishbone style and 18 AWG color-coded wires simplify installation significantly. If you have a wider trailer or are looking for a straightforward, easy-to-install wiring solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The trailer wiring harness kit is a great addition for anyone needing to connect trailer lights to their vehicle. It provides a reliable and straightforward way to ensure your trailer lights are functioning correctly. The 4-pin connector is standard and compatible with most trailers, making installation simple. Number 3. 50-foot 4-pin 5-wire trailer wire harness kit. Introducing our premium towing wiring solution, designed for reliability and ease of use. This kit offers a robust and long-lasting connection for all your towing needs. Crafted with thickened PVC coating and high-quality copper wire, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions. You can trust its anti-corrosion properties for extended durability. Installation is a breeze thanks to the 18-gauge, color-coded wires. Each wire's function is clearly marked, simplifying the setup process significantly. The smart wishbone design splits at the trailer tongue, allowing wires to run down each side without any need for splicing. This feature ensures a clean and straightforward installation. With a 42-foot male wire and an 8-foot female wire, you get ample cable length. This provides the flexibility needed for trailer light wire replacement, even on longer trailers. Featuring a standard 4-pin flat plug, it offers a universal fit for most 4-way trailer light systems. It's perfect for utility trailers, boat trailers, and RVs. What we like. Featuring an anti-corrosion PVC coating and extended wire lengths, this harness is built to withstand harsh weather. The wishbone design eliminates the need for splicing, making installation a breeze. If you need a durable, weather-resistant option with ample length for your boat or utility trailer, consider this kit. What people say. This trailer wiring harness kit is a great value for the price. The 4-pin connector is easy to install and provides a secure connection. It works perfectly with my trailer lights and is a great addition to my towing setup. Number 2. True Mod's 4-pin flat trailer light wiring harness kit. This kit provides everything you need for your trailer's lighting system. It includes both male and female connectors for maximum compatibility and value. The wishbone-style wiring simplifies the connection to your taillights. This design makes the installation process much easier and more straightforward. Built to meet SAE standards, this wiring is designed for reliable performance in your vehicle's electrical system. It also comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. With a generous total wire length of 29 feet, this harness is ideal for trailers of any width, whether they are under or over 80 inches wide. Featuring 18 AWG color-coded wires, identifying each wire's function is simple. This ensures a safe and easy installation process for everyone. What we like. This kit uniquely includes both male and female ends, offering added value and versatility. It's SAE J1128 rated for quality and features a wishbone-style wiring setup for simplified installation. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that covers both ends of your trailer connection and meets industry standards, this is an excellent option. What people say. Good solid wiring harness. It has separate left and right brake lines from the plug so that you don't have to run one wire to one taillight, and then run a separate wire from that one, across the trailer, to the other taillight. It made the job of running the wires much easier. This harness is good quality and very supple and seem like they will last a long time. Rewired an 8-foot trailer. The wishbone-style harness works great. Number 1. LIMICAR 100 feet 14-gauge trailer wiring harness kit. Introducing the LIMICAR 100 feet 14-gauge trailer wiring harness kit. This kit provides a durable and reliable solution for all your trailer wiring needs. This kit features 100 feet of 14-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire. It's perfect for rewiring your trailer or splicing in new connectors. Installation is a breeze thanks to the color-coded, bonded wires. Each wire is clearly marked for ground, tail lights, and turn signals, ensuring a straightforward setup. Built to comply with SAE J1128 standards, this wiring harness is constructed with high-quality materials and PVC insulating tape. The 14-gauge ground wire ensures safe and corrosion-resistant installation. This versatile wiring kit is suitable for a wide range of applications, including trailers, trucks, horse trailers, ATVs, and more. It's designed to handle up to 60 volts. Comes with superior quality guaranteed. We are confident in the materials and construction of this trailer wiring harness. What we like. With an impressive 100 feet of 14-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire, this kit offers exceptional length and durability. It's ideal for extensive rewiring projects or for trailers that require a very long run. If you need a substantial amount of high-quality wiring for a large trailer or a custom setup, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It was easy to install and worked perfectly. This is a great product and it was very easy to hook up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.